Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and good. Children, this is your first class of CS, that is communication skills. And in our today's session, we will learn and understand why communication skills are important in our life and how can we develop communication skills. But before going further, tell me the meaning of communication. So, what is communication? Communication is the act of sharing or exchanging information, ideas or feelings. कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू हम जानकारी, विचारों या भावनाओं को शेयर करते हैं या फिर एक्सचेंज करते हैं. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, communication is a two-way process. For example, if you are feeling hungry, so to whom you will go and ask for food? Mostly when we feel hungry, we tell our mothers about it. Okay, so if you tell your mother that you are feeling hungry, then might be she replies to sit and wait till she brings your food. Okay. So this is a type of communication, children. Now let's see how do we communicate, means different types of communications. Okay. So the first one is verbal communication. Verbal communication is the use of sounds and words to express yourself. Okay, like speech, presentations, or announcements. These are the few examples of verbal communication. Next is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a way of expressing our thoughts without speaking. How can we express ourselves without speaking? There are many ways, children. The first way is through gestures. It means movement of hand or head to express something. Okay, so through gestures also we can communicate. Then we can communicate through our body language. Alright. Next, non-verbal communication is through facial expressions. हम facial expressions के through भी communicate कर सकते हैं. For example, if you feel happy, तो आप स्माइल करेंगे. इफ़ यू फील सैड तो वो आपके फेस पे रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज थ्रू आई कॉन्टैक्ट. आई कॉन्टैक्ट करके भी हम कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. देन थ्रू रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन, कुछ लिख कर भी हम कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन राइट लेटर, नोटिस. ओके, सो दीज आर द फॉलोइंग types of non-verbal communication. Now let's understand about communication skills. So children, what are communication skills? Communication skills are the abilities we use when we are giving and receiving different kinds of information. Now the main question is how to develop communication skills. हम communication skills को कैसे develop कर सकते हैं? So the first way is through listening. Listening is the best way to develop communication skills in yourself. And as we are talking about developing it in English, one needs to be an active listener to develop it. Alright? Through listening and through observing the person who is speaking in English, we can learn many things. Alright? Next is saying what you mean. You must inculcate this thing within yourselves that you only have to say what you mean. But remember to speak in a polite way so that it doesn't hurt anyone. Next is through our body language. Now, how one can develop it through body language? Let's take an example. If you are talking with your elders and your hands are in your pockets, will it look good? No. So, like this, we have to keep minor things in our mind and we have to be aware about our body language to develop communication skills. Now, the next is confidence. Always remember, children, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to speak, be confident. कभी कभी आपको ऐसा फील होता होगा कि अगर मैं किसी चीज़ का आंसर देती हूँ या देता हूँ या मैं कुछ कहता हूँ तो हो सकता है कि मैं गलत हो जाऊँ उस जगह या मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ. नो प्रॉब्लम, आप गलत बोलेंगे तो आपको सीखने को ही मिलेगा ना. सो यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट वाइल स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग. ऑलराइट. Now, the next is respect. Yes, children, this is very important to give respect whenever you're talking to anyone, whether the person is younger to you or the person is elder to you. You have to give respect to that person. So, children, remember these 5 key points to develop communication skills.